If you are struggling with stubborn weight, especially belly fat, poor sleep, mood swings, or non-stop snacking, then this 3 ingredients anti-inflammatory morning drink is going to help reset your body and melt fat naturally. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a full body reset weight loss drink that attacks weight gain from multiple angles and fix it from the root. So without wasting time, let's get started. Take a cup and add 1 teaspoon ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha is widely used Ayurvedic medicine and is often called Indian ginseng. It's an adaptant that targets the root cause of weight gain. It helps lower cholesterol, the stress hormones, so your belly fat, covering, and stress eating naturally reduce. It also improves energy, enhance sleep, and shift the body from fat sorting mode to fat burning mode. Now add a pinch of saffron. Saffron is a natural appetite suppressant. It boosts moods, keeps you feeling full, and prevents unnecessary snacking. It helps control cravings, supports metabolism, and makes maintaining a calorie deficit much easier. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Healthy fats like ghee keep you full and satisfied, helping you naturally eat less. Ghee also helps your body absorb the fat-soluble compounds in ashwagandha and saffron. Ghee is rich in fat-soluble vitamins and CTAs, CLA, and butyrate, powerful compounds that boost metabolism, support gut health, reduce inflammation, and promote fat burning. Finally, fill the cup with lukewarm water, mix well, and your drink is ready. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. After drinking it, avoid eating or drinking anything for at least 30 minutes. This powerful trio works together. Ghee boosts absorption and keeps you full. Ashwagandha manages stress and belly fat. Saffron controls craving and mood. It's like a full system reset for your body. Combine this drink with a balanced diet and light physical activity. You will notice your weight and stubborn fat dropping more easily. You can take this anti-inflammatory drink for 3 months, then take a 2-week break and start again. It is safe for most people except pregnant and breastfeeding women, those with an upcoming surgery, or anyone allergic to the nightshade family. This full body reset drink is not only powerful but also super easy to make. Try this anti-inflammatory drink for at least 15 days and share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and powerful recipes. I will see you in my next video. Until then, remember your life wouldn't change unless you change something in your daily routine. Bye bye.